So this is the bathroom before we do anything here. So you've seen the before of this bathroom, and this is the after. We have a new vanity cabinet with the lit up pearl mirror, nice new tile, going smoothly curbless into the shower with the linear drain and tileable grate, and walk-in shower glass with little 4-inch return to keep the water in. As usual, we place the niche into the grid lines of the pattern of the tiles. So this is that's how your shower can look like if you want to get rid of the bathtub and have a nice easy access to the nice spacious shower. So thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next one.